Assalamualaikum. My name is Haron. So today I am here to visit my village, beautiful place. There are lots of beautiful places in my village. This is the um, this is the famous place where people come to visit almost every day. I will describe and share and show you this place very closely. You can see the sun is already set. The paddy fields. You can see some house and a building. There are lots of trees. This place is the most beautiful. Here, look, there is water, and in front of me is grass. You can get the whole view.
That's each object and this have at least 3 centers for the Haron.
Look at this green tree, looking so green that I can say how much green it is. Everything looks green. The herons are sitting near the pond. Look, white looks polythene, but these are not polythene as you see. These are white herons sitting near the water to get fish. They want them for their dinner and to feed their child. There is a house over here, and look, this way there are lots of water flowers here. I love this place very much, and in the waters there can be snakes. Lots of birds fly here every day, especially the herons, white herons. I'm showing you closely. Never step in this mud or you will be drowned. I will show you. See? My slipper will drown now. See? It's not a good mud. There, I stepped here and it got like this. Look at this blue flower beautifully shimmering the environment. The water's making it beautiful as you see. Looking like the nature spirit. These waters spread around this field like net. The two plants over there are moving for the speed of the water. This is an awesome place where I almost visit every day. White herons like to visit this place to catch fishes. This way is some paddy field where you can see the paddies are almost done to cut out, but it's not ready to pick up. And this way, this is the most critical tree I have ever seen. These trees make the environment very well for everyone. Nature is the thing we would laugh and I almost see it every day. The beautiful flowers caught my eyes one day when I saw them. Oh, see that pond? Not covering. That place is not covered with leaves. I saw a snake there. My brother. A big snake. All of this is a part of nature we see. A part of nature where everyone has a part. It's all a creation of Almighty Allah. But we are destroying it. We are destroying the beautiful places by covering them with plastics, throwing rubbish anywhere we want. We throw papers, look, everywhere. Plastics and everything we want to drop ever we want. Polythenes also. This plastic, polythenes, does not get worse. It never gets worse. It just destroys the quality of mud, and nature will begin to fall if we don't stop this. We will lose nature, and we don't want to lose something that makes our environment a beautiful place.